What's up, guys? Welcome to J-Hook Outdoors. We're out here part 2. We're gonna hang a second deer stand. We're gonna go back and ratchet up the first deer stand. We got a bag full of ratchet straps, a fishing pole. We'll see if we can catch a fish too, maybe if there's time. But stay tuned, let's go do it. I got the pole saw to clear up a little bit, get this thing all geared up. Got a couple of trail cameras we're gonna go ahead and put out as well. And then about a month before bow season, we'll come back and set up some feeders. And I think my goal is this season is to kill 2 with the crossbow and kill 4 with the rifle. So we're gonna get to go in a pile more this season than last season. Last season we had 1 spot, and this year we're gonna have 3 spots. We'll come back and put a ground blind down a month before season starts. But we got a little bit of walking and carrying and lugging to do. See you in a bit. Next season, you coming to kill one? Can you tell how big the turkey is just from the feather?
It's a gobbler.
Did it. Just cut off the poison ivy all the way up as high as the pole saw could reach. Had to get a little bit more up there. Clear off a couple more branches. And we got to clear up a little bit right here because we're going to put the feeder over there tucked in. But let's get to it.
Go up. There we go. As we can reach. Okay, go ahead. Go back behind the column. Okay, yeah. All right. Up. Gotta go up over that one. Gotta come out. 1, 2, 3. Up. Can you lift up the wall? Oh, there we go. Go against that tree. Go against that tree right there. So you did something.
Oh.
You got it.
We are seats down like this. You worried about it?
What do you mean?
Seats not like this. It's like this.
Sit in it and see how it feels.
See, we don't have that back brace on.
Okay, and? That poison ivy right behind your neck.
We got to take the base out. Yeah, we gotta come on around with that.
Yeah, we got to have that brace. But yeah, look at how it's at an angle. See how it's,
Yeah,
I mean, just look at the tree.
yeah.
But we just pull those legs out and around, put a brace on it, ratchet, ratchet, ratchet. It's done.
Cause if this is the trail, do I want to try to get them going up and out of this trail? Let me put it on that tree right there.
I'll put that one right there. Take a picture this way.
Going that way?
Yeah,
Or this way?
right here to your opening.
Okay.
You know, so you're gonna put your feeder right there.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good to me.
And once you have cleared this, good and cleared, they're gonna start using it. They'll use that.
12/13, 12/13, June 10th, 2022. 15 seconds. Format. Let's go get a sip of water and ratchet down the other end. Oh yeah, that's more than one, I guess, maybe. I don't know.
Might be one just standing right there.
All right, we got one deer stand up. Not quite done with the one on the power lines yet. This is the brace. I'm gonna have to find a new brace. This one's all busted up. So we can reshift that one. It's not all that sturdy right now, and instead of the seat sitting like this, it's sitting down. So we got a little bit more work to do up there. But the deer stand we put up in part one, we're gonna clear out a little bit around it and put some ratchet straps on it. And maybe catch a fish still. I don't know, we'll see. We might wet a line. We brought one to do. But stay tuned. Let's see if we can't finish this off. Where is it? Oh, right there, I see it. Found it. Ratchet and trail cameras. All right, we're gonna take this brace and move it up a step. This thing got off the tree when I went to go climb it. That was exciting times. This is a good spot to hunt though. Good spot, good open spot. Got a field over there, house behind me, natural little funnel of a walk for the deer to come through. Deer trails all in it. Good clearing for a bow shot. Gonna be a good spot. All right, here's stand. Forgot what we was gonna call it. House stand maybe. I gotta bring back my Sawzall. There's a little nub right there. I gotta cut off to be right in my back. Trail camera pointing where we're gonna put the feeder. Have all that all cleared out right there. But we do have to come back. We gotta find a brace like this for the 2-man stand. I had to come back for that. Had to come back and Sawzall that up and tighten down the other stand. Whew, scared me. What's on me? Whew, that thing ran down my back. I thought I was being attacked. But thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, should be the last time that we can we'll have all the deer stands ready until we put the ground blind up. You fishing a little bit or you got to go, old man?
With you.
All right, we did decide to go fishing. So
I'm gonna get burnt.
yeah, I don't have a drop of sunscreen on either. Come on, Tucker. Bring your barking tail. Let's go get snake bit.
I'll tell you, that is a tough dog right there.
Yeah, that thing's been snake bit more than I've seen snakes in my life. Look at that old bone right there. All right, let's see if we can catch one.
Tucker, you left your shin back there.
All right, guys, battery's low from fiddling with them deer stands, so I'll just turn you on whenever something exciting happens. During all the fish catches, you might miss the hook sets, but maybe get to see a fish or two. Stay tuned. Like, oh man, I was messing with the camera.
It was paint.
Should have let you. You was about to be paddling. Old rusty hook. be deeper. When I'm paddling around, guiding you once again, telling you where the fish are. Don't wind up losing that thing. Is it a bass? It's got to be. It ain't jumped though. Is it a crappie? Is it a brim? I say, a little bass. How come he didn't come up and jump?
Panther.
Oh yeah, that's a good one for the panther. Go ahead and put your finger down on in there. Show him off. Little Sebastian. Boom. 1-0. Oh, daddy bluegill. That makes it 3-2. Paddler gets 3. Look at that.
Look at there. You caught the same one.
It looks about the same one, don't it? All right, where's your hook at? Oh, I tried. You caught that log good.
Did you jangle it?
It's a little brimmy. Oh, fell off in the boat. Where'd you go? Where did you go? Come back this way. Come here. What's that make it? 2-2?
2-2.
You got that right. 3-2. Is he still on there?
No.
Yeah, he is still on there. That makes it 3-3. I call him up on the hill.
You tried to hit me in the head with that one again.
I tried to hit your ride tip, but it was too small.
Same one.
It might be the same one. Here, hold this. I'll show you how to zoom in. Thing scared me. Did you hear it whimper?
No,
That's what drew my attention to it. It went.
You found him a good shady spot. That might be the same one.
I think it. Oh yeah, might be.
He looks bigger though, but then again, it's been 2 weeks.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna walk around you, buddy. Yeah, I don't remember why. Oh, it was a bass here. There you go. Good little bass. Put him in the boat.
That boy.
There he is. Little dinky ding, little dinky doo.
Little dunkadoo ball.
Oh yeah, he wanted it. Swallowed it. It looked like a brim. And
It was.
it was.
He was wee. That place you had to take a crap at. You finally got one.
What you think this is?
That'll do it.
I don't start fishing until I know where they at. Alright, well there you have it, guys. We got a little farther on the deer stands, caught a few fish. Thanks for watching, and we'll finish up deer stands and get it prepped and ready for deer season in the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I guess he just naps all day.
Then what do you do at nighttime, buddy? You party?
Oh, put him some corn out there, fatten him up. He sure ain't worried about us.
Nope.
You go pick him up, he'll worry about you.
Yeah. Mama come off the top rope.